Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how to restrict account on your Instagram. Maybe you want to restrict account on your Instagram but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can restrict account on your Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. After that, you will be directed into this Instagram homepage. From here, you will see your Instagram profile at the lower right corner of the screen. Tap on it. From your profile page, simply tap on these three lines at the upper right corner of your screen. And then from here, select the settings and privacy. Once you select it, you have to scroll down. And you will see here the restricted. Tap on this restricted. And then in here, tap to continue. And here you haven't restricted anyone. And here tap the search button and search the account you want to restrict. For example, you want to restrict this account, simply tap on this restrict button beside the account. After that, you'll see here account restricted. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can restrict account on your Instagram, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can restrict accounts on your Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.